It is time for Marry Me Monday, the fun, timely, sometimes romantic, sometimes spirited live radio program with your hosts, Sherry, Bussy, and Sam. Presented by Emerald City Jewelers, 33rd and Broadway, Quincy.
On the phone with me this morning, Sherry Bussy, owner of Emerald City Jewelers. Good morning, Sherry.
Good morning.
It's Monday. It is time for Marry Me Monday. And this month, Sherry, I've been noticing on your Facebook page, you're putting a lot of new product that you have at Emerald City Jewelers.
Yes, we have increased our inventory by quite a bit by some very unique pieces. We've got some wonderful new tourmalines. They're watermelon tourmalines. That means that it changes from pink to green throughout the stone. So it's a stone that has a color variation in it. It's a pretty stone. We do have some new opals in that people are really loving, the deep, rich blues that they come in and the flash of color. We still also have the Ethiopian opal beads that are just mystifying. They just draw you in and you're just hypnotized by how much light and play of color there is inside the stone. You might want to just come by sometime, take a look. We are open for business, so you just have to come in. We've got a little hand sanitizer in the foyer you can use first and come right in. We do wear masks when we help you, and we have the acrylic barriers between people just to try and make everybody a little safer so we can keep our community growing.
And if you're still looking for a gift for someone and they're born in the month of August, the August Birthstone, always a popular item for any month, really.
It's a beautiful apple green peridot, and there are lots of stones that kind of come in that color. You can get a garnet in that color. You can get something called a sphene. It's spelled S-P-H-E-N-E, and it's got a lot of refractive light inside, so you see the green flashes of green and orange and yellow inside a sphene. So if your birthstone is August, you can always just choose a green stone. You may not have to go with the peridot if you don't want to try peridot. You want to do something a little bit different. Or if you just love the green color, it's like so fresh and vivid and lively. It's a wonderful, wonderful color.
And if anybody wants to look at the new products that you have at Emerald City Jewelers and maybe get a glimpse of that August Birthstone, a great website to check out, of course, emeraldcityjewelers.com.
That's right. And you can also like us on Facebook. We put nice posts out there very frequently, so our new product is featured and you can keep up on what's new in the industry. I'm sure that most people know that we're a home-owned jewelry store. We're not a chain, and so we are here for the long haul, and we service the jewelry that we sell. Stop by Emerald City Jewelers. We're here for you.
And where are you located, Sherry? And how can people get a hold of you if they log onto the website and have additional questions?
We are located at the corner of 33rd and Broadway under the Emerald Green roof in the Sight Vision Center building. We share the entrance with the Quincy Mall. We also have a text service on our website. If you go to the website and you want to send us a text message, you can do that, or you can text our regular phone line at 217-222-8896. You can call that number or text it, and the text message goes to the whole staff, so someone will pick up your question and answer your question or help you with what you're needing.
Emerald City Jewelers, again, located at 33rd and Broadway in Quincy. Sherry, thank you so much for joining me this morning, and until next week, have a fantastic week.
Thank you, Sam.
That's it for this week's edition of Marry Me Monday, presented by Emerald City Jewelers. Join us next week, Monday at 7:25 a.m. for another exciting edition. That's Marry Me Monday. Celebrate your love.